Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about data room for accounting firms, secure document management. Let's get started. Data rooms can help accounting firms to securely manage client documents. Data rooms offer a high level of security for confidential information. Data rooms typically use encryption, access controls, and audit logging to protect data. This can help accounting firms to protect their clients' sensitive data from unauthorized access, use and disclosure. Improve compliance. Data rooms can help accounting firms to improve compliance with industry regulations and standards. For example, data rooms can help accounting firms to comply with the General Data Protection Regulation by protecting client data from unauthorized access and use. Increase transparency. Data rooms can help accounting firms to increase transparency with their clients by providing them the access to all of their financial information. This can help to build trust and confidence between accounting firms and their clients. Reduce risk. Data rooms can help accounting firms to reduce the risk of data breaches and other security incidents by protecting confidential information from unauthorized access. This can help accounting firms to avoid the financial and reputational damage that can result from a data breach. How accounting firms can use data rooms. Share client documents. Accounting firms can use data rooms to share clients' documents with their clients, such as financial statements, tax returns, and audit reports. This can help improve communication and collaboration between accounting firms and their clients. Managing clients' project. Accounting firms can use data rooms to manage client projects by storing and sharing project plans, schedules, and budgets. This can help accounting firms to keep their clients informed of the progress of their projects and to identify any potential problems early on. Conducting due diligence. Firms can use data rooms to conduct due diligence on potential clients or investment opportunities. Data rooms can help accounting firms to access and review confidential information about potential clients or investment opportunities in a secure manner. Benefits of using data rooms for accounting firms. Secure document management. Data rooms offer a high level of security for confidential information. This can help accounting firms to protect their clients' sensitive data from unauthorized access, use, and disclosure. Improved compliance. Data rooms can help accounting firms to improve compliance with industry regulations and standards. For example, data room can help accounting firms to comply with the General Data Protection Regulation by protecting client data from unauthorized access and use. Increase transparency. Data rooms can help accounting firms to increase transparency with their clients by providing them with access to all of their financial information. This can help to build trust and confidence between accounting firms and their clients. Reduce risk. Data rooms can help accounting firms to reduce the risk of data breaches and other security incidents by protecting confidential information from unauthorized access. This can help accounting firms to avoid the financial and reputational damage that can result from a data breach. Improved efficiency. Data rooms can help accounting firms to improve the efficiency of their operations by streamlining the process of sharing information with clients and other stakeholders. Conclusion. Data rooms can be a valuable tool for accounting firms of all sizes. Data rooms can help accounting firms to securely manage client documents, improve compliance, increase transparency, and reduce risks. By choosing the right data rooms, accounting firms can streamline their operations and improve their services to their clients. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the video. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.